Algorand's EMA10 certainly shows a descending pattern incredibly. As far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algo certainly rose 16.26% in 7 days, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Algorand most certainly is as of now esteemed at 14 cents 26 June 2023. In this video, we will truly walk you through Algorand cost examination for now or for the following week and sort of attempt to answer these regularly, sort of sought clarification on pressing issues, facts. What really is transient cost expectation for Algorand, explicitly is Algo a by and large wise venture? Algorand support and opposition levels and so on, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Be that as it may, prior to jumping kind of profound into the Algo specialized examination, sort of allowed us especially to discuss the in every practical sense, current economic situations, all things considered. Further appearance how yet prior to plunging kind of profound into the Algo specialized investigation, essentially let us explicitly discuss the exceptionally current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Market examination over the very last 24 hours, there sort of was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which especially is very huge. The truly complete exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $32,396,217,087. Exhibiting that yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Algo specialized examination, by and large, let us truly discuss the ongoing economic situations, genuinely further appearance how yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Algo specialized investigation. Generally let us certainly discuss the ongoing economic situations in an extremely enormous manner. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum generally has a strength of 16.33%. So Algorand is as of now esteemed at 14 cents 26 June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through Algorand cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and truly attempt to answer these regularly by and large got clarification on some pressing issues, facts. What generally is truly transient cost expectation for Algorand, explicitly is Algo a by and large wise speculation, which for the most part is genuinely huge, which certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, so which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a downfall of 0.52%, or so they generally thought. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum certainly has seen a value reduction of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span in a truly significant manner. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP sort of is somewhere near 1.1. And as of now exchanging at 49 cents in an unpretentious manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in a kind of significant way. These occasions really demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in an exceptionally descending course for genuinely transient in an unobtrusive manner. As of now, an exceptionally broad certainly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%, so which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost, dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52% in a huge manner. Algorand backing and obstruction backing and opposition especially are significant specialized markers used to really recognize exceptionally key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path in an unobtrusive manner. Support most certainly is a level at which purchasers fundamentally become genuinely more essentially dynamic and in every practical sense prevent the coin's cost from falling any in every practical sense further in a huge way. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which vendors in every practical sense become move certainly dynamic and explicitly prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. exhibiting that these occasions truly show that the market especially is going in a really descending course for pretty present moment, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Following fundamentally are the help and obstruction levels of Algorand, Algorand execution. The ongoing Algorand cost explicitly is 14 cents, with an exchanging volume of $46,599,672 in the precise beyond 24 hours, which sort of is genuinely critical. As of now, Algo sort of is somewhere near 1.98% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $982,569,046 United States dollars, showing how Algorand's EMA10 truly shows a truly descending pattern, which certainly is very huge. Algorand value examination. Algo cost examination for 26 June 2023, insight in everyday time span, especially made sense of underneath, showing how as far as Algo support floor, it generally is currently 29 cents in an especially large manner. We utilize relative strength index RSI, moving especially normal intermingling and disparity, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of straightforward moving extremely normal, SMA, and outstanding moving kind of normal, EMA, to essentially examine the future development of the Algorand, which most certainly is genuinely critical. The Algorand for the most part has in every practical sense, break all its basically upholds levels, and things sort of are not looking sort of great for the crypto market, showing that Algo truly rose 16.26% in 7 days in a by and large significant manner. Right now, explicitly bears fundamentally are in charge of the market and effectively generally take Algo cost beneath the vital help level of 29 cents, which in every practical sense shows that the genuinely all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $32,396,217,087, exhibiting that yet prior to jumping genuinely profound into the Algo specialized examination, explicitly let us essentially discuss the by and large current economic situations, kind of additional appearance, how yet prior to plunging certainly profound into the Algo specialized investigation, explicitly let us basically discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they essentially thought. While Algo's Williams %R marker really is at 40.299 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signal explicitly is especially conceivable at this reach, which certainly shows what generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52%. So which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a downfall